I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And today we again have our special friend with us.
Hi, I'm Jessie.
So Jessie, what are we going to make today?
Today we are making snowman chains.
Oh, I love
That's
it.
so cute.
Yeah. And I have a breath for us to do today because we had a snowstorm in Massachusetts. So the breath I have is you're gonna first gather your snow and breathe in and make it into a snowball and throw it. And as you throw it, you're gonna breathe out. So let's breathe in. And breathe in.
Wow, I love it.
All right.
I feel relaxed and ready to.
Yeah, that's right. But I can do without any more snow.
Yeah.
So what supplies do we need?
Today we're going to need paper, markers, scissors, and tape or glue.
So the first step in making the chain is you're gonna want to make a connecting piece. So for my connecting pieces, I made candy canes, but you can do whatever you want. I thought of drawing little snowflakes on them, whatever you'd like. So first, you're gonna have your strips of paper and you're gonna take a skinnier one. So I have two sizes here and this one's just a little bit skinnier. So I'm gonna take my skinnier strip and I'm gonna draw some candy cane lines on it.
Okay. And you can just keep it white too if you want, right?
Yeah, definitely. All right.
And you can make any design you want for the in-between strip.
I'm doing some little snowflakes.
So once you have,
Great.
looks good.
Thank you.
You wanna make it,
Good curvy line.
yeah. You wanna make it into a ring shape. So you're gonna make it like this. Because I already have a chain, I'm just gonna connect it to the one I already started making, but you're gonna wanna make it look like this and tape it together like that. All right. So mine's a little bit long, so I'm gonna just cut it. All right.
And what's going to be our next step?
Add mine to my chain. So the next step is you're gonna make your snowman a hat or whatever you'd like them to wear. You can give them hair or a hat. So I have a cutout hat for my snowman. So you're gonna take your thicker strip and put it through.
And then when do you add the face? Can you do that?
If you don't want your snowman to have a hat, you can add the face now.
Okay.
If you'd like.
And you used marker for your face, right?
All right. Yes. I have some tape here. I'm just going to tape on my snowman's hat.
Let me see yours, Gail.
Well, so far I'm working on a little face.
And
So
then
people are coming to life.
And then I'm gonna add, once I've added my hat, I'm gonna add another connecting piece and then I'm gonna put a face on mine.
Okay.
All right.
I put a
Now
little,
I'm adding my face.
I'm putting a little scarf on mine.
Oh, that looks really good.
Thanks. Jessie,
You
can we?
could add arms too. I was just.
Yes. Can I
What
see?
is that?
Can I see some close-ups of your snowman?
Of course. Yeah, so here's one
Mhm.
and here's another. And here's another.
I love it.
Right.
Yeah, and you can hang them up around your house.
And because they're snow people, they can just have anything, hair, not hair, any kind of hat, really anything goes.
Here's mine with a hat.
Oh, that's cute.
Sorry. So here's my face.
Oh, I like it.
Nice.
All right. And now I'm gonna add a body to mine.
I did
Okay.
I did two
How's
faces.
everyone?
I did two faces in a row, but I guess
Oh,
that's
that.
okay. And I did some earmuffs. They might look like headphones, but they're
Right.
They're either one.
Looks good.
Now you can do these any way you want. Like you can have a snowman face on every one.
All right, I'm almost done with my body.
I added some arms, sort of.
That's cute.
All right. There's mine.
Wow, I love
I
it.
like it.
All the different snowmen all have different hats on.
These look great. I'm gonna finish
Well, I hope they,
on mine later, since I have a long way to go.
no, this was
really good.
This was fun. Thank you, Jessie, for teaching us. And we hope that everybody can enjoy making this. And before we leave, we have to say goodbye to Jessie. We're sad to see her go, but she's going to continue on her studies and we wish her the best. And it's been great having you, Jessie, with everything you've done for our space and all our
Thank you so much. I
activities.
enjoyed my time here so much.
Thank you, Jessie. You've been great. And if you'd like to
All right.
see more craft videos, you can go to www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye. Happy snow day.